Molly, and I'm hanging out at moodfabrics.com, working with product number 324803, Mood's exclusive midnight navy and white tape measure border printed mercerized cotton voile. This product has a soft, crisp hand, almost paper-like. It features no stretch or give and is mostly translucent. This product is easy with a flexible drape, and I think it would be perfect for a pair of wide leg pants with the tape measure towards the bottom, lined with black satin and paired with a white bishop sleeve peasant blouse.